Whenever oh, as I no go dey talk, 'cause if I talk, I no go. So I just time for Juliet make I dey talk. Bye bye. I no see Juliet say Juliet na agbero. Make I talk. The listing for here, say you go dey hear. Una good evening. My name na Joy. I dey say Austra. Europe hungry me to call. Now I call Europe. Na my dad na carry me come for Nigeria to Europe. When I dey even dey comot for Nigeria, mama and papa no know say I comot for Nigeria o. Say I wish I die for Libya. I go die like that. They no go know say I don die. Oh, hope they come. Hello? I know they joke. I know they joke. I serious. I serious later. Man, not dey laugh. This girl dey discourage me. Okay. As I comot for Libya, as I stay Libya, even Libya sef, they dey rape girls, they dey kill girls. Nobody know how person dey survive for Libya. I reach Europe. When I dey Nigeria, they tell me say I go pay 30,000 euro. My mind understand say maybe na small money. The money not big because Europe don hungry. Poverty won't keep person for Nigeria. You understand? Now I comot for Nigeria, now I take on Europe. So when I go reach Europe, they go tell me say I go pay 30,000 euro. When I see the money na more than 40 million. Now I say Jesus, I say I want to pay that money for which toto? For my small toto when I get now I want to pay this 30,000 euro. Now I say this money big go. When person go take finish, how person go take pay that money before you go see husband marry? And no know say I take pay that money. Now I say well maybe God go bring help her come. So for there, I come carry me. My mother come carry me come Austria. When he even carry me come Austria, I no get anybody for here. I sleep train station. Now I sleep. If I can still manage money, they carry this small house where they manage, they go small. So work no day. Interview where I go, people they not give me. They say they not believe my story. So for head, if I see the waka, you go they hide. Go they think igbese. I go take pay igbese. How you go take survive? You understand? As I can say Oba say make girls no dey pay money again. Now cause say thank God though freedom don come. Now person no go think as he go take pay igbese. Person go think as he go take plan the future. Na wetin I call dey pray for. So I call my mother this evening o. Say madam, see wetin Oba talk. Say Oba say make girls no dey pay igbese again. Na cause say whether the time be say I take come Europe, whether Oba know say me come Europe. I go tell her say Oba no know whether Oba know, but na wetin Oba talk. I know say no dey hear Benin, but na for Benin na take swear this way. I swear na Benin take swear this way. My leg don touch Benin. The juju when I swear, the pants and the hair when they collect my body, na for Benin they take do am. The river when they carry me go, na for Benin na they take do am. You understand? So I can talk o. Na can tell her say so na my leg don touch Benin. Na 3 girls my mother carry come. Me I dey Austria, one I dey France, one I dey Italy. Na e dey. Everybody dey struggle. I don take pay igbese. The one I dey France go pay 45,000. Na Libya na e pass. Me when I dey Austria, I go pay 30,000 euro. The one I dey Italy go pay 30,000 euro. You see my money? Big money. If you say person no fit pay, till you go die. If you can't pay that money, I want to see my marry herself. Toto just scatter. Toto go turn to water for that 30,000 euro. For now, this season. The person dey for Europe wey be say money no dey again, nothing. That person to pay that kind of money. Now I go say thank God I come say sister see with about talk. Me I no go pay gbese go. Me I don free. Now tell me say if me not give her money this month, say me I go see wetin go happen to me. Me I never do live. Say I go see wetin go happen to me. Now say me I never do live video. Since I don tell this madam say me I no go pay again, you no wan gree. Me and I go give over photo. I go carry go give police. Maybe if I can't give police, police go give me document. They'll give paper now. Fine, they'll give paper. He go prison. Because I just I don't want to do bad before. But now you don't push me. Say make I do bad. Now, may I go, if you call me again, I go implicate her. Go give police. I know say people the way they still know her for this Facebook. They go tell her, say, see what Joy they do. Joy na crazy girl. You know the year word. Stubborn. Now I be. Understand? They'll go tell her. So as the people guys say all this madam be say they were great when they carry woman they come Europe and they come they destroy people life. See Italy they for 10 euro for toto 5 euro for to fuck for Italy. Now na life I useless life. That no be better life now. Person go they do rubbish because of say they owe gbese, they owe money. they do this, you go sleep, you no fit dey comfortable, you go dey fear say gbese dey your neck, gbese dey your neck wey you wan pay, you go dey fear. Me I fit live that kind life again. Now say in case this woman come give me problem, maybe my power no fit reach am, cause me I no get anybody for Europe wey go fight for me say je see in case this man my power no come reach am, this woman come say make my name go babalawo, me I no want, the case I die, me I know say na this madam na kill me o. Me I know say na this madam na this madam na kill me o. Me I never ready to die. Now make I dey do this live video, because if you disturb me again, me I go give am to police. Police. Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
How are you?
I dey fine. On your side now.
Yeah. Everything when you talk and everybody hear that. Please, if you dey on this, if you dey hear waiting there talk and share this video, because this madam, he won't try to destroy this girl. So because she don't. Won't use her own to destroy this girl. And waiting me, I want advise that madam now. The earlier you withdraw your hand from this girl body, the better for you. Not just that madam alone, all the madams. The earlier una withdraw, una forget happen to your family, then leave this girl. Even if he tell you say take this, even if he tell you say take this 100 euro, 200 euro, don't collect it. You understand? So leave this girl. Please share this video. This broadcast is very, very important. And keep repeating it. You that is talking, tell people about it. You call the girl, how the girl threaten you, because this your message will get to the Oba Palace. You may be seeing it as a small message. It will get there. Very soon, this message will go viral. Me, myself, I will share it. I will send it to people. If your madam refuse to release you, she will go to jail. That's the truth. Oba said any madam that refuse to let you go, that should go and tell police. You understand? So if you don't be afraid. As you are doing video, and this is my first time of watching you on video, is very, very important. So please share this video. That madam is wicked. She's wicked. She's self-centered. God bless you. Now the only thing we want to contribute be that. Good night.
Yeah, thank you. Let me the Kaya style. Abeg, guess like me wey be say madam carry come. Abeg move stand, move fight this fight, so to go fit win now. Because me I no fit dey live this kind of life oh. I no fit dey live, I dey work for madam. Wey be say madam dey house, dey strong, dey house, dey sleep day and night. We go dey work for her. I no fit live that kind of life. Me I no fit live that kind of life. You know understand? People I no even get. People I no get. Austria said they want deport 1,000 people. And they want deport for Austria. How you go expect me say I come Europe? I know they go 3 years. Nothing I achieve. Honor for madam. They pay gbese. Eh? How person want to achieve this kind life? You understand? No, I shall self not be full work at all self. You dey fuck different men because of say you dey pay gbese. Nothing they come myself for inside. That will not be better life. You understand? As person as man fit stand for us, as well that juju wey we swear. You no go work for our body. You know that I don't even go because of this babala, this juju. I don't even go pastor. One more church for Nigeria. Now see my go. One more speak I be 400,000. Now you go do deliverance for me because I say I go swear juju. Because of juju when I go swear. Now that because that's when I go do. Now bad thing. I drop my pants. Hair of my hair, drop on. Hair of my armpit, I drop on. Hair of my toto, I drop on. Because I say I go swear. Because I say I won't call you. And because I say I want to come Europe, I don't say all guys like me. I don't say this way be say the happen so. Don't be our fault. We don't say it be like this. Because I will say we not say it be like this. Like because of Nigeria condition, no work, nothing, suffer. If you say you see say people is the thief, small thing everything Nigeria just corrupt. Now make everybody tell me that they like better life. I said this, I not go school. My family not train me. Now I need better life. Now I take on Europe, take on better my life, to take off my family because we not get. Now I take on. But because as I come on Europe now, things the way beside I take planner, it not be like that. Things they difficult. things dey hard, dey stressful. I use God, me na help me go tell that madam. Me I no ready, me I never ready to die. Na me be first pikin for my family. My mother no born plenty, we be 5. You understand? I never ready to die because I said the way gbese. I no get money. If I get, I go pay. Now bed work for hotel. Now they do bed work. Now they spread bed. Now they do. All my if I come for work, all my waist go kaput. Go be like say I don't die because of bed. Because I dey find money to stay survive, to take pay my house rent, to take do this. Because I want to take care of my family. I want to take care of I want plan my future. I can see that bed work what they do. You know I even see that work. Oh, you never take. You never even take. When I even see the bed work self, you never reach 1 month. Then I even start to the work bed work. I just sit down for hours, nothing, cry, frustration. They do nothing. You understand? I'm gonna think I want to pay gbese. This is gbese. Many of my friends where the madam carry their come when they did this extra. All of them struggle to survive because of gbese. They go pay. Person gonna think I want to pay gbese. You know if you chop, you know if you drink water, you know if you chop, you know if you sleep because of the gbese. Ha! My fellow girls like me, I beg, una try to fight this fight, so I will go win am o. Because me 5 naira when you wash, I no dey pay again o. 5 naira when you wash kpakpa, me I no dey pay o. I no dey pay shishi. I no dey pay. That mother, if you like me do anything when you wan do, you no concern me. So if I do this video, so this video go reach where e dey. I know it's not my friend for Facebook because I verse block am. Because tomorrow it come bring money. I never see money I want to shop. I go take money to go pay gbese. You understand? Now I verse block am. So I know say family, they go do this Facebook. They go do this messenger. I got most of your family for it. So I made the pass and go give us now wetin this joy, stubborn girl, this joy wey not the year word. Say now wetin you talk be that to make it pass and go give us. So it go yeah. Because if you call me again, I know man 1 2 3. 1 2 3 na be ogbale number for Austria. I go give them. Say this woman they disturb me. I know you are there for it and I will carry them go. She if I cannot go, she go prison. Me I go get document, free document I go get. Because if you disturb me again, what I go do with that? Me I not say joy not the year words. Why she go put mother for prison? You know, I be bad person. Now I do live this video. I don't talk my own no. Now bye bye.